A tragic incident claimed 3 lives in Mangaluru after a compound wall collapsed onto a traditional tile-roofed rented house in Naguri behind the Kankanady Police Station during the early hours of June 30th. According to reports, the incident occurred at around 4:30 a.m. when the compound wall of a house situated at a higher elevation suddenly gave away and crashed onto a building comprising 4 separate rented units. The impact completely crushed the back portion of the tiled structure, leaving occupants of 2 of the rental units trapped beneath the debris with no chance to escape. Hearing the loud crash, local residents rushed to the scene and alerted the authorities. Personnel from the police, fire and emergency services, and other rescue teams immediately launched a rescue operation to search for those trapped under the collapsed structure. After sustained rescue efforts, emergency responders managed to pull out 3 survivors alive, a man and 2 girls. They were shifted to a nearby hospital for treatment where doctors reported that they were out of danger. However, rescue teams later recovered the bodies of a woman and 2 girls who had been trapped beneath the heavy rubble. Despite the rescuers' efforts, all 3 had died at the scene. To strengthen the rescue operation, the team from the National Disaster Response Force joined the local police and fire and emergency services personnel. The operation continued until officials confirmed that everyone trapped beneath the rubble had been accounted for. Following the thorough search of the collapsed structure, authorities officially concluded the rescue operation. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.